I'm Louise, independent consultant with the Pampered Chef. On today's menu, I will be making Hawaiian chicken barbecue braid. These are the ingredients that you will need. 1 pound of chicken, here I am using chicken tenders, salt and pepper to taste, a pizza crust, 4 ounces of cheddar cheese grated, some cilantro, about 1/4 of a red onion, some apple cider vinegar, ketchup, spicy smoky barbecue rub, and some pineapple tidbits. All right, first thing we need to do is get the chicken chopped up. So here I just cooked the chicken tenders. You can use whatever chicken that you already have on hand. The easiest way for me to get my chicken chopped up is to use the salad choppers. And we'll just snip this in the bowl. All right, next we're going to add some chopped red onion. We just need about 1/4. And I'm going to be using our manual food processor so that I can get the pieces nice and small. So we'll just put that in the processor, put the lid on, and we'll just all right, so there we go. We'll add the onions to our chicken. Go. Next, we'll add some chopped cilantro. Easiest way for me to do that is to just snip it with our kitchen shears in our little prep bowl. Snip, snip, snip. Okay, so we'll add that. Next, we'll need the 1/2 cup of ketchup. This is an old Pampered Chef product. Look at that, love it. There we go, the measure all cup. Then we need 1 teaspoon of the apple cider vinegar. So we'll just measure out a teaspoon, put that in there. Okay. We need 1½ tablespoons of rub. Measure 1 and then 1/2. Okay, and then we need 4 ounces of grated cheese. So we'll just cut this in half. And I'm going to use our cheese grater. I'm just going to grate straight into the bowl, like this. Okay, there we go. Now we're just going to give all this a stir. Add a little salt and a little pepper. A little pepper. Oh, and let's not forget the pineapple tidbits that I have draining over here. I have them draining in our Easy Read colander. So we'll just put those in and finish stirring all this together. All right, now we're ready for the pizza dough, and I'm going to be using our large stoneware bar pan. If you don't have a stoneware bar pan, of course you can use any aluminum or metal cookie sheet that you might have. I know this doesn't look like stoneware because it's so well seasoned, but you know our saying, the uglier it looks, the better it cooks. Okay, so here I have the pizza dough, and what we're going to do is we're going to just unroll it. Onto the bar pan. Here's the edge. So I'm just going to use our little handy dandy baker's roller. I'm going to just roll it out onto the bar pan. And then using the kitchen shears, I'm going to snip every 1.5 inches, about 2 inches in. So I'm just going to do about a 2-inch snip there, go over about 1.5 inches, another snip, and so on both sides of the pizza dough. One more. We'll flip it around, and then we'll do the other side. Okay, here and one more. And now we're just going to put our filling right in the center. There should be about a 5-inch section here for you to put the filling. There we go. Okay. Now to do the braid, what we're going to do is we're going to start with one end. So we'll start with this end. You're going to pick it up, you're going to twist it, and you're going to lie it down. Pick it up, twist it, and then just lie it down like that. And just go all the way down, alternating sides. Twist, lie it down, twist, lie it down, twist, lie it down. So you can see it's pretty easy. I have the oven preheated to 400, and this will go in for about 15 to 18 minutes or until your pizza dough is nice and brown. Last one. All right, I'll put it in the oven and we'll check back in 18 minutes. It's been 18 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and get our braid out of the oven. It's nice and golden brown, smells delicious. Let's cut a little piece off. Or a big piece. I'm going to get it right in the center. There we go. There we go. This served alongside with a nice green salad would make a perfect, easy weeknight meal. I hope you will make this for your family. I'm sure they will enjoy it. Happy cooking! These are all the products that were used in today's recipe. If you see something that you would like in your kitchen, please click on the link above. And don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with my latest videos.